Tonight, we're going to take a gentle journey into the very heart of light itself. There's no need to follow every word. Just let the ideas wash over you as you settle in. As you begin to drift, imagine for a moment the quiet, endless dark of space. And now, picture a single tiny spark, a messenger carrying warmth and color across the void. This little traveler is a photon. For a very long time, we thought of light not as a particle, but as a wave. And it's a beautiful way to picture it. Think of a perfectly still lake, and a single raindrop falls. You can see the ripples spread out, gentle, concentric circles gliding across the surface. Light often behaves just like this, a smooth, continuous wave of energy flowing through the universe. It bends around corners like a soft current and shimmers as it passes through a prism, separating into a silent rainbow of colors. It's a peaceful, predictable dance. But the universe is full of wonderful secrets. And as we looked closer, we found that light had another side to its nature, a more particular side. Scientists noticed that when light shines on certain metals, it can knock tiny electrons loose, like a gentle breeze dislodging a single grain of sand from a dune. But here's the mystery. It wasn't just any light that could do this. The light had to be of a certain energy, a specific color, as if it wasn't a continuous wave, but a stream of individual packets. Not a gentle push, but a series of tiny, specific taps. It was as if the light was arriving in little parcels, little bullets of energy. And this is where we meet the true, wondrous nature of our photon. It is both things at once, a wave and a particle. It travels like a spreading ripple on that cosmic lake, but it arrives as a single, indivisible drop. This is the wave-particle duality, a beautiful paradox that lies at the very foundation of our reality. Don't try to solve it. Just hold the image in your mind. A ghostly wave and a tiny, brilliant spark journeying together. Let this gentle mystery be the first step on your path to sleep as we prepare to follow the photon on its incredible journey. We left our little messenger, the photon, as a beautiful paradox, a wave and a particle gliding through the cosmos. Now, let's drift back and think about where its journey begins. Almost every photon that graces our world is born in the heart of a star. Imagine the center of our own sun, a place of unimaginable pressure and heat. Here in this stellar core, matter is forged, and in a silent, powerful flash, a photon is created. It is pure energy released from the star's fiery heart. But its journey is not a simple one. For thousands upon thousands of years, this newborn photon bounces and collides within the dense interior of the star, being absorbed and re-emitted, a cosmic pinball on an impossibly long journey to the surface. Each time it is reborn, it carries the story of the star within it. Then one day, it is finally cast free, bursting from the surface of the sun and into the open expanse of space. And now, its real journey begins. It travels at the ultimate speed of the universe, the speed of light. Nothing is faster. It is the cosmic speed limit, a fundamental rule of our reality. It races past planets and moons. It sails through empty nebulae and clouds of interstellar dust. A silent, solitary traveler on a journey of millions of miles. But here is a thought that might cradle you as you fall deeper into rest. From our perspective, the photon's journey from the sun to the earth takes about 8 minutes. But for the photon itself, time does not exist. Because it travels at the speed of light, the universe contracts and time stands completely still. From the photon's own point of view, the moment it is created and the moment it arrives are the very same instant. The entire 8-minute journey, the 93 million miles, all of it happens in a single timeless flash. It experiences no travel, no duration, no waiting. It simply is created and is arrived. So think of that, a timeless messenger, born in the heart of a star, traveling across the solar system in an instant from its own perspective. Its long journey across the void simply a blink, an instantaneous connection between a distant star and you. And so, our timeless traveler, the photon, arrives. After its instantaneous journey from its own perspective, it reaches the edge of our world, plunging into the soft blue veil of our atmosphere. Here, it encounters the air itself, the tiny molecules of nitrogen and oxygen. As our photon passes by, it might nudge one of these molecules, scattering off in a new direction. This happens to countless photons, and it is this gentle scattering of light, particularly the blue light, that paints our sky its tranquil color. The blue sky is just the signature of innumerable photons being gently redirected on the last leg of their journey. Now, imagine one of these photons continuing downward toward the surface. It passes through the gentle sway of the clouds and heads toward a quiet forest. It is aiming for a single leaf on a tall, sleeping tree. The surface of this leaf is ready to receive the light. When our photon strikes it, the leaf's chemistry absorbs the red and blue parts of the light for energy, for photosynthesis. But the green light, the green part of the spectrum, is not needed. So the leaf rejects it. It reflects that green photon, sending it back out. And if you were standing there, that little green photon, the one the leaf didn't want, is the one that would enter your eye. The color you see is the story of the light that was given back. And this is where the photon's long, incredible story comes to an end. Whether it is absorbed by a leaf to give life, or it strikes the retina in your eye to create vision, its journey is over. In that final, infinitesimal moment of contact, the photon ceases to exist. It delivers its packet of energy, its message from a star, and becomes one with the object it touches. Its wave collapses, its particle vanishes. Its journey is done. From the fiery heart of the sun, across the timeless, silent void, to a final, gentle touch on our world. Every color you have ever seen, every bit of warmth you felt from the sun, is the final whisper of a photon's journey. A journey that ends so that life and sight and warmth can begin. Rest now, in the quiet knowledge that you are connected to the stars by these tiny, faithful messengers of light. Good night.